you don't know, baby. Cause when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing.
Yes. Not in the Orain, just extra.
Oh, yes, it's surprising.
Yes!
We get everything.
I'm the only person who get excited for pots and coats.
It's your passion.
Yeah, Shadika wanted burger bread. Yo. We'll pass it. Every minute we go on this one and then turn back.
On the third one. I didn't see it work on one.
Look get this from my barber friend.
How much for you, sir? Yo, when me I was gypsy, you know how much feet in a Walmart? $1. $1 and must be 51 cents for the.
Barbecue sauce. That's how much I'm selling it for.
That's I can't understand where them get the price from. Damn, ship. The man said shipping really expensive.
Yeah, shipping.
How much is this? Guess how much for it?
400.
6
6, yeah.
Okay.
all purpose. This are the milk for the festival.
I thought you said no festival.
The last set of people are there.
Wait, hold on there. Yeah, what you mean last set of people? I will jump on the bandwagon.
Remember when you said no festival, I did like 18 order.
So you still have how much? 20 something? Still 22?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright guys, morning. I'm currently on my way to the downtown market. As you would have seen in the previous clip, I went to the supermarket and the wholesale to purchase the things for the cookout that I'll be doing. So this morning I'm going to the market to buy some seasoning, scallion, onion and stuff like that. I won't be taking you along because I don't nobody grab my phone. So I'm just giving you guys an update, showing you a little bit of my journey there, and I'll probably show you when I'm leaving safely on the bus and my phone in my hand. I don't nobody grab it, so yeah, that is that. I turn here's a corridor around here. Alright guys, so I'm back from the market. I'll explain my situation to you in the car. No videoing because I don't want to take my phone. I'll show you the way there. So this is me back at the house with what I purchased for my cookout. So I'm buy seasoning. This is for my rice and peas and them stuff there. I buy pepper. Need pepper. Then grab my vegetable, buy onion, garlic, scallion, carrots, plantain, sweet pepper, Irish and stuff like that. So yes, stay tuned for the cookout. Boom, boom, yeah.
Alright guys, so the meat is finally seasoned and cut. they're prepped for tomorrow. Things are getting done. Yeah, so he's just gonna refrigerate these now and then move on to what are you moving on next?
Rest.
You wanna rest right now? Yeah. Alright guys, so we catch you when we catch you again, okay. What's up guys? So it's the next day, it's a new day. So it's early morning, and of course Orain had to get started early because he's making lunch and he does not want to rush. So it's a bit early, but he has got a jump on the day. Of course, it just depends on the food. So I'm gonna have to definitely take over recording and try to get you guys as much content to show you how the day went. So let me show you what has been going on so far. Yeah, so he has a coal pot, what do you call this? Coal fire station are going outside. So I am not sure what's on here. I'm gonna have to fast. Let me see. Yeah, so let me see what's going on in here. Oh, the peas. Damn. No, really sick? Jeez.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are fall.
Guys, the pot is steaming. Like, look at that nice steam. So the scent good, it smells so nice. Watch Orain invite. Boy! Jesus. I'm inviting another pot, guys. Nice. Guys, I'm just here taking clips. And when my assistant is when my assistant duties is needed, then I'll probably prop you guys up somewhere or come back when the deed is done. By the time I came back, guys, Orain gonna cut up tomato and mix it in. So the veg them done. Sauce and everything on it soaking. And like I said, guys, if I'm not able to have the camera with me, I'll show you afterwards. So I put in the pasta, make it start boil up with the veg, because it's gonna be the vegetable pasta. And yeah, it's boiling. Right, so the Irish them all wash up, guys. I am preparing a little, I guess, what do you call it? I am preparing like a season blend for the vegetable pasta, so I'm gonna fling that on it soon. The pork are steamed down. This is the pot for the potatoes, and of course I have to try to make local breakfast in between it, because if up to Orain him not eat or me not get nothing to eat. So look, boiled egg and probably butter bread I can do it with some ginger tea what I make. Guys, I'm over here being a proper sous chef. Yes, I'm gonna mixing this. I'm using one hand, of course, because I have the other one on the camera, and I am going to pour this lovely blend, which is scallion and sweet pepper, and I added secrets over it as well. So I'm gonna show you guys when I'm finished. Guys, may I get an update? I think this is the festival, right? No?
What could I call?
How are these?
What the fried chicken me put in the
Oh!
put in Maggie and black pepper in the festival. What did massa? No cook nothing give me. I don't want you. I'm nervous. I don't want you kill me.
Oi. I don't know. Anyways, but guys, my vex. Look how much bowl and pan we have. Or in this side, if you want it not fry, the freaking frying pot.
Every pot will be used.
No, sir. Look how much bowl and them something there. Watch it. How much bowl and all can empty out this is, and them want to use the frying pot. No, sir.
Problem, it mix it up in this and then transport.
You love dirty up things. Don't bother start with me.
You will start me up, leave me alone.
Ah, Jesus. People, it is just 8 o'clock now, or probably like 8:01.
And vegetable done, pasta done.
Yeah. Peas still tough.
Peas still tough like rockstone.
Pork nice. I'm showing up pork people, because I know I want an update. So I'm going to the update. See pork here.
Make that jump in the pot, no, but it's... Why are we wasting steam?
Why are we wasting steam? This is for the chicken apparently because I thought it was deep frying the festival. My bad, I'm sorry. And over here is the potatoes. The potatoes. So guys, man himself, the chef himself, yes. Yeah, so as I say, we're update as we go along. He definitely has been working me, but I don't mind.
The most important thing.
What's it? Oh yes, I got a work to do. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna write up the box, you know, the name to the order, and yeah. So yes, I'm writing the orders, guys. This is what I've done so far. One over here, so 2.
So 6.
I guess.
Right over this. What is this?
Right over that, Louis. If can't, you know me, can read this for you. Guys, my dad do a test run. Never know, or maybe want it, you know, all over the place. But him say all over the place he want it, so that's something I do.
Louis, I never mean do it, yeah?
Sorry, Louis. What I say, I try, but I try. You know, the first not gonna be the best. Yeah, anyways, that person here, what him name? Ryan, yes, he want pork, fried chicken, more rice.
Alright, guys.
Right. Alright guys, so we're outside, outdoor cooking, outdoor. You see barefoot and everything, outdoor we say. Oh gosh. Yeah, so the curry is being, the curry I cook man on a coal fire. Thanks grandma, that's all I can say. Thanks to the pot and the coal, the coal stove. Guys, as you can see, things them finished and are wind down. So almost everything is done at this point. I think this is the last thing he's doing, which is the festival. The pork is over there, it's finished. The curry looking yummy. The stewed pork is stewed and everything. The chicken is fried and barbecue fried in the oven. So you see the barbecue fry right here, so, and the fries right here. So things are going how they're supposed to, yeah. And the time is because we're trying to get it out by lunchtime. I'm not sure if you guys, if we mentioned that, yeah, we were doing planting as well, festivals, homemade festivals. Yeah, in here we have like the mashed potatoes, which was made earlier. It's like a special order for one specific person, but of course, you know, yeah. Alright guys, so we're sharing out. Start share the rice. I had to go back and fry some extra plantains because we were short. Pork is still on the stove. Guys, so we delivered the food. Yeah, you can see Orain, he is tired, and we're currently on our way back home. The person who's carrying us, he had to make a stop, so we're just waiting on him for him to come back. But when we go home, like, time was catching up on us, so we're just going to go home and clean up what we had left. And yeah, the food, guys, the food was nearly enough. We definitely had to, like, we'd have to share ourselves outside. So we literally have to go stop and order pizza. But that's how it go. We had to get the orders fulfilled. We'll definitely know better next time. But it's definitely a learning experience. It's the first time he's doing it. I think it went fairly well. It's just that, you know, we just did, you know, the order, the meat look short. That's just it. But next time we're gonna have more till it overflow, so we can get, and you know, we can even get, oh yeah, there was a last minute order as well. So those are the things, just threw it off. But next time, yeah. So guys, we're just ending up the vlog right here. So before we reach in, that's it guys. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember to comment down below, like, share,
and comment.
Yeah, watch the ads, people. Never forget that, watch the ads. And thank you so much for supporting us. Bye.
Bye.